Hello, good morning student. Welcome to our English grammar class. Today we will take non-finite verb. Okay. Last week we have taken present tense, then past tense and future tense we have taken. Okay. So now this is chapter number 8 non-finite verb. Okay. From your English grammar. You know that verb can be finite or non-finite. It can be finite or non-finite. Now, finite verb changes their form according to the number and person of the subject and the tense of the verb. Finite it change according to the number of a person. How it is? Finite verb changes their form according to the number and person of the subject and the tense of the verb and the verb it changes. Now, we will see example, my mother bakes delicious cakes. Example, my mother bakes, see here, bakes delicious cakes. Now, this is non-finite verb remain unchanged irrespectively of the number and the person of the subject and the tense of the verb. Suppose I say I bake a cake, I bake a cake, So, it is one cake, and here my mother bakes delicious cakes, number of cakes, okay, where I am telling I baked a cake, one cake, okay. So, like this example, I want to play the piano. Non-finite verb are of 3 types. How many types? 3 types. First, infinitive 2 plus verb. Infinitive 2 plus verb. We have to add infinitive. We have to play, to write, to run, like this 2 plus the verb. Participle verbs plus ed, d, t, en, n and ing. Participles are how will form verb plus ed, d, t, en, n and ing. So, now and gerund are verb plus ing. Gerund can be subject also in the form of subject and object. Gerund will study in the next models will study gerund. Now, infinitive. An infinitive is a non-finite verb in its base form and is usually preceded by the word to. Infinitive function as noun in a sentence acting as subject, object or complements of the subject. How it acts? It acts in a, see again I will, an infinitive is non-finite verb in its base form and it usually preceded by the word to. Infinitives function as noun in a sentence acting as subject, object or complements of the verb. It can be subject means starting of the sentence, object, end of the sentence and complements when we complements. Example, I want to travel Hong Kong. I want to, see to is infinitive, and it is object also. Now, to travel to Hong Kong was my dearest wish. To travel, to, here to is put as a subject here. Now, the plan is to reach Kausal by 10 o'clock. Complement of the verb. The plan is to reach before time. Okay. Now, here verbs like explain, agree, ask, choose, prepare, learn, fail and remember are often used with the infinitive. Verb like explain, to agree, to ask, to choose, to prepare, these are often used with the infinitive. Infinitive is to. Okay. I hope you are getting, children. Verb followed by infinitive. We use the infinitive with to after verb like offer, promise, wish, hesitate, manage and refuse. Example, Revati wishes to learn a new language. To learn, see, to is infinitive, to learn. Okay. Now, question word before infinitive, question words before infinitive. Now, a question word plus infinitive can act as the object of the verb. A question word plus infinitive can be act as the object of the verb. Now, we will see with the example. You must learn how to look after the sick child. You must learn how to, again here, look after the sick child. Now, we do not know what to accept in this remote village. Now, bare infinitive. Bare infinitive means 0, no infinitive. Bare means 0, 0 infinitive. When an infinitive is used without to, where infinitive is not used, then also the sentence is correct. So, what it is? When an infinitive is used without to, it is called as bare infinitive, means no infinitive, 0 infinitive. We are not using infinitive. Without infinitive also, we can read the sentence or say the sentence or write the sentence. Okay. We generally use the infinitive without to after this verb let, hear, watch, need and dare. Here, for these words we are not using any infinitive. I heard him play a difficult piece on the violin. I heard him play, not to play. See, without to play also the sentence is correct. I heard him play a difficult piece of on the violin. I heard him play. Okay. Now, participles. What are participles? Participles are verb which perform the function of an adjective in a sentence. It is acting as adjective. Means how? We will see. Growing children need proper nourishment. Growing, here the noun children, it describe about the children, growing children. Growing is here adjective and it is participles. Watching his inspired performance, the audience began to clap. Watching his inspired performance, the audience began to clap. Watching, here again watching is adjective and participles. Participles are of three types, present, three types of participles, present participles, past and perfect participle. See, present, past and perfect participles. Three types of, remember, participles are of three types, present, past and perfect participles. We will see with the example, present participles. Present participle have the form verb plus ing. Very simple, present, verb plus ing. Example, the task was tiring for the participants. So, here the task was tiring, here see ing, tired, tiring for the participant. Okay. They are also used to form the continuous tense of the verb. Continuous, how? Continuous, ing, it is continuous. Is, writing, will have been, working, they are also used to form the continuous tense of the verb. Continuous tense, is, writing, will have been, working, these are continuous tense also of the verb. Now, we will go further. Past participle. Past participle have the form verb plus ed, d, t, en and n. See, past we have studied before, no, that past tense we have already studied. Past, now this is past participles have the form verb plus ed, d, t, en and n. Example we will see. The broken doll, see here, the broken, broken, broken doll could not be repaired. Now here broken, past, could not be repaired. Past participle are also used to form the perfect tense of the verb. Now example, would have remembered, had hoped, had slept, had eaten, had blown. These are past participle are also used to form the perfect tense of the, means had slept, had hoped, had eaten, okay, sorry, has eaten, had blown. These are all past participle and the perfect tense of the verb. We will go further now. Perfect participles. Perfect participle have the form having been plus past participle form of the verb. Again I am repeating, perfect participle have the form having been plus past participle form of the verb. Now example, having understood her mistake, she agreed to apologize. Having understood her mistake, having. Now we will go further. Now gerunds. Gerunds are verb which perform the function of noun in the sentence. What it are? The gerunds are verb which perform the function of noun in the sentence. Now we will see example, dancing can help increase one's fitness. Now here see, dancing, subject of the sentence, dancing, it is used as a subject of a sentence, dance, dancing, and it is used, it can be used as a subject, as an object, or we will see complements also. She likes swimming, here it is acting as an object of the sentence, here it is subject and here it is, see the sentence dancing, here it is used before as a subject and here it is used as a object in the sentence swimming. Now replacing infinitive with gerund. How to replace? Replacing infinitive with gerund. What is infinitive here now? To, no? To, and we have to replace. In a sentence, an infinitive can be replaced by a gerund without changing the meaning of the sentence. We have to replace infinitive without changing any the meaning of the sentence. If we will change, we have to, meaning should not be changed of the sentence when we replace, okay. So example, to play with small children is relaxing. Here to play is what here? Infinitive. To play with small children is relaxing. Now playing with small children is relaxing. See here gerund is used without changing any sentence. We have used this sentence also, this also. Here to play with small children is relaxing, is the same meaning, and playing with small children is relaxing, also the meaning is same. Means there is no change, we have replaced to play and here gerund playing, but the sentence remain the same, the meaning remain the same, okay. Now we will go further with the exercise. I hope you have understood, children, here, okay. Now few exercises are there, that few I have done, all the exercise I have not done, the which I have done you have to do that also, and plus the remaining you have to do, okay. Now fill in the blanks with the infinitive form of the given verb. To, see, the noisy crowded appeared to calm down when the batsman took the crease. Now see here, underline this, no, all the underline, this is the answer, to sleep, to eat, to post, to drive. These are all answer. 5 I have done. Again here fill in the blanks with the infinitive form of the given verb. They may be with or without to. Here see, here see, challenges, challenge, same, shop, brother, punish, it is same. Okay. Now here underline the gerund in the sentence. Studying, gerund is studying ing, here also solving, then playing, exercising, here all this sentence are there. So only 2 exercise I have done, rest we have not done 2, 3. So rest we have not done, and the remaining of this 5 I have done, the remaining you have to do, student. Okay. Till then we will meet again soon. Thank you.